Hello, I am Captain Brandon Tom, NERT's Program Coordinator for the San Francisco Fire Department. This October is the 34th anniversary of the Loma Prieta earthquake. I want to go over a few things to help you prepare for the next major disaster or emergency. The first step in preparation is building a supply kit for yourself. A supply kit does not have to be put together all at once. You can take your time to put it together. On the NERT website, we have a list of recommendations for your kits. Most importantly, you should have enough food and water to feed your family for 3 to 5 days. The next recommendation we have is to purchase a fire extinguisher. If you have a fire extinguisher at hand, you can stop a small fire from becoming a big fire. We recommend a 3A 40BC fire extinguisher. A fire extinguisher is simple to use. First, check the gauge to make sure it is charged and ready to go. Then repeat the word pass to yourself. Pass stands for pull the pin, aim the nozzle, squeeze the trigger, and sweep at the base of the fire. The last recommendation we have for you today is to locate your gas meter. A ruptured gas line caused one of the major fires from the Loma Prieta earthquake. In order to prevent this from occurring again, we want to show you how to turn off the gas. Your gas should only be turned off if you smell gas, hear hissing, or the dials are spinning rapidly. This indicates a gas leak. And now, NOPA NERT Coordinator Nathan Karkowski will demonstrate how to turn off a gas meter.
With a crescent wrench, I'm going to turn the shutoff valve 1/4 turn. So it's in a horizontal orientation.
If you do turn off your gas meter, do not turn it back on. You must place a service call with PG&E to have your service restored. Thank you for your time and stay safe.